Clock squawking on the nightstand, slapping the alarm. I stumble to the pot, got coffee on the stove top, button up the blue collar. Time to make the boots walk out the front door. Yeah, sun ain't even up yet, sunny, but we sure are, yeah. 'Cause time is money, and we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars. Taking, peeling, shuck, stack, digging, tilling, swing that hammer at the 2x. 40 hours well past, raking in the grain cash, stacking up the haystacks, red clay paid. 'Cause we ain't afraid of breakbacks or a good sweat, nah. The sun ain't gone down yet, sunny, so we ain't done yet, hell no. 'Cause time is money, and we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars.
I'll be up and at it by your first break. I'll be working the whole day. I ain't in the road play. Catch me in the road cage, chillin' just a chewing up that black dirt. Plowing, planting, cropping, I ain't stopping till my ass hurt. Silver Queen shucking with the farm, all trucking with the mace 55s. Boy, y'all ain't seen nothing. I'll be getting with the picking nearly all day, doing it all the way, cropping till we all pay. Hey,
another long hard road to the next one starts, buddy. You don't wanna know what the tractor parts cost. I can get you up a ticket for a rig and a plow. I got some heifers in the back, but I don't sell holy cow. Man, that old Ferguson burning about 250 a gallon. I'm out here churning up dirt and I'm working, turning the plow. And you dig? Probably do it on your own time. I keep your youngest supper coming down the lunch line.
Yeah, we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars. Come Saturday night, I'll take my baby out on the town. And on Sunday it's church, and then lay around the house. Yeah, we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break bite, couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars.
No, I ain't gotta wear pants 2 sizes too big with some baby Nate shoes. Talk about my crib to dry the girls wild, make them hop inside my jacked up ride. Sitting on 35. My speakers go boom, by the way with some Jason Audiam. Grind on the way, that's that country boy swag. All day it's some dirt road boys and them boys don't play. every day is a must. And it's the red, white, blue, and it got our trust. Where you ain't gotta worry about no thieves or crooks. And everybody around here straight lives by the book. But don't ever disrespect the ladies, cause if you do, you might wind up pushing up daisies. Where everybody drives like Miss Daisy. Tip your hat to the man on the track, then have patience. We're all just trying to make a dollar. If you're really from the country, let me hear y'all holler.
Go boom, by the way, with some Jason Audiam. Grind on the way, that's that country boy swag. All day, it's some dirt road boys, and them boys don't play. My speakers go boom, by the way, with some Jason Audiam. Grind on the way, that's that country boy swag. All day, it's some dirt road boys, and them boys don't play. Them boys don't play.
Man, let me take you for a ride through the countryside and show you how we get live at the county line. We just some dirt road boys, riding round straight romping in some jacked up toys. Let's get a little mud on the tires, poppin' some Audiam and take a little ride. Hit the creek bank and sip a little shine. When the sun goes down, we'll take a skinny dip and dive.
Go boom, by the way, with some Jason Audiam. Grind on the way, that's that country boy swag. All day, it's some dirt road boys, and them boys don't play. My speakers go boom, by the way, with some Jason Audiam. Grind on the way, that's that country boy swag. All day, it's some dirt road boys, and them boys don't play. Them boys don't play.
Chevrolet up in the cloud. Tires on that thing is a mile wide. Girls screaming out when we ride by. Yeah, you know they loving it. Them country girls, they loving us. Chevrolet up in the cloud. Tires on that thing is a mile wide. Girls screaming out when we ride by. Yeah, you know they loving it. Them country girls, they loving us.
All my rowdy country friends around here, we like to meet at the holler, build a fire, drink a beer. We slip out to the field, climb a tree, shoot a deer. I reminisce about these days, man, I get a chill. We keep our trucks lifted up so high, we gotta lock them down in a four-wheel drive. Sideways in a mud hole, that's just how it goes round here. I'm talking about the southern land.
Grab a six-pack, son, gon' hop in the back. Everybody around here know where the party's at. Done a real long road on private land, passed down to me from my old man. Yeah, we get rowdy, crank it up too loud. Southern pride still makes me proud. Them long legs still drive me wild. When there's nowhere to go, just driving round. Ain't nothing like a sunset, singing on down where the sun-kissed girl said eyes on me. Take a picture for the moment so time will freeze. If you're looking for me, you know where I'll be. Beneath these hollers, hills and trees, my kids gonna do that same old thing. Same old song, same guitar, just different strings.
All my rowdy country friends around here, we like to meet at the holler, build a fire, drink a beer. We slip out to the field, climb a tree, shoot a deer. I reminisce about these days, man, I get a chill. We keep our trucks lifted up so high, we gotta lock them down in a four-wheel drive. Sideways in a mud hole, that's just how it goes round here. I'm talking about the southern land. You can take me out of the country, but you can't take it out of me. See, these roots in my veins running deeper than any other human eye can see. How it was is how it is. Ain't nothing gonna change about the way we live. I'm still running around that same old kid, barefoot and all, just gained some years. Let me tell you about a back road. Talking